How to turn off parental controls on an iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can turn off parental controls on iPhone. Well, the process is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. To turn off parental controls on iPhone, first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Once you have opened up settings, you want to head over to screen time option. So once you're on screen time here, you'll find these options. You want to simply head into content and privacy restrictions. Under it, you want to toggle the content and privacy restrictions to off. You may need to enter the screen time passcode if one was set up. So this is how you can easily turn off parental controls on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well. And also do not forget to like the video as well.